Hey everyone, welcome back. Hope you're all doing well. I'm your trader Sam. Today I'm going to take you through a few potential setups that I see happening here for Bitcoin. Now, we just did have some news. The Federal Reserve Bank, Jerome Powell, just made an announcement, and it looks like we are getting a bit of volatility here. We could be getting a bit of a drop. So let's just run through the levels that we are looking at. But before we do that, let's have a quick recap of what we were speaking about on the last market update, because I just wanted to show you how things played out after that update and why I was looking at those levels. So let's just get into that quickly. Setups here. So just looking on the 1 hourly, guys, just beneath current price action, we have 25,577. So in terms of looking at a long position, that's going to be my first area of interest, right? So as price comes down, you want to have an alert set there, and you want to be monitoring price action as it hits that zone. Now, if we just aggressively fall through, then obviously there's no trade. So guys, what actually happened there? Um, I'll just take you to exactly what we were looking at. So it was this low here where we were looking for that SFP that you just saw, and also I'll just take you to within the community that I am a coach in, the Legends community. I'll just show you something cool as well. So, Legends, for longs, the plan remains the same. However, it is also possible we SFP at 25,577. For this setup, I would want clear bullish CVD divergences, and for price to also reach the local 0.5 Fibonacci level highlighted there. Now, this was that level, right? So price was around here at the time, and we were looking for that 0.5 Fibonacci level, and we wanted price to close back above that low to give us that clear, decisive SFP. And that is exactly what's happened. So we didn't necessarily need the 0.5 Fibonacci level, but I just want to explain that the reason why I had mentioned that is just because it gives you more context to the trade, a bit more confluence. So had price stopped short there and still retraced back up and closed above that low, it would still be an acceptable long. However, it just gives you that little bit more confidence that, price literally came down and hit the 0.5 level to the dollar. So it was nicely planned, and a lot of the members in the community were able to get into this trade, which was great. And always take profits when you can as well. The VWAP was the first profit taking level. But overall, guys, we were looking for higher at 27K here. So that's why it's always really important, guys, to take profits along the way. Because as you can see, it got close to 27K, but not quite. So I might even get stopped out at entry here for the remaining of my position, but that's fine because we are looking at more levels. So that was a nice trade setup. I mean, that was a decent move. Yeah, it was 6% move from low to high. So it was a nice trade setup. But anyway, that's gone, guys. So what can we look for now? I mean, let's adjust our Fibonacci level here now that we've put in this newer high. So we would need to remove that. So we're retesting the 0.6 here, the local 0.6, these lows for the third time now. So this is likely to have a bit more continuation down further. We do have the 786 right at this MPOC level, which is it has already been tapped. However, I've kept it on the charts because if we were to hit that zone for the third time, that we could get a bullish reaction. Because often when you have a low and then you have an SFP, you often also get a retest, right, of that SFP. So sometimes it can happen really quickly, but other times it can happen a bit later. And it's kind of like a three-touch setup. So these also happen on sloping trend lines as well, not just horizontal trend lines. But yeah, often three-touch setups when you have confluence like this with the 786, or whether it be the 618 or 0.5 Fibonacci, or it could be something else like a daily level or something like that. In this instance, it is an NPOC level. So having that third touch, we could get a bullish reaction. So that's the reason why I've left that level there on the charts. Oh, sorry, no, my bad. It's not an NPOC level. It's just where we had that SFP. I got confused there because I didn't change the color. However, it's still an area of confluence because we did get the SFP from that level, and the 786 is matching up to it as well. So I'll leave that there. After this zone here, if we don't see a reaction here, my next level of interest would be this low here, where you could potentially SFP from again. However, I'm more interested in this level down here at 24,915. Yeah, it is the 618 as well at this MPOC from this low to this high. So yeah, that is a big level of interest for me. So yeah, we'll set this alert here. Yeah, so to the downside, those are our levels. And then after that MPOC, obviously it's the very low of the overall range at 23,608. Now, to the upside, we still have, I'll just get this channel back here for you to see. We still have the top of the range here at 27K, which is yet to be claimed. Now, yeah, I'm expecting this level to be quite well respected. You can see how well respected the 0.5, or sorry, the 50% level of this range was. We bounced off it. So I would be expecting this level up here at 27,000 to be respected. Shall we get there? After that, guys, to the upside. After that, I'm mainly interested in this golden pocket and NPOC zone up here at 29,130. We do also have, which is important to note, we do also have this larger channel, which has been mentioned before. And as you can see, it's been to the left here, it's been well respected in the past. Just recently, we did slice through it, so it remains to be seen whether that will be respected if or when we get there. However, it's worth having on the charts. But mainly to the upside, if we do clear 27, I'm mainly interested in this golden pocket MPOC level up there. So these will be, if I don't get stopped out of my long, these are the levels I'm looking for to take profits and to possibly get into shorts. But in terms of adding to my longs, it would be here. Or if I do get stopped out, then I will be looking to, further down here at 24,915, which is the untapped NPOC level. Not too much more to add here, guys. Just a reminder just to be patient. Wait for your, the levels on your charts to be hit. Don't get any FOMO, and wait for a desired reaction. Don't just set limit orders, because price can just slice through, and it's going to put you in a mess. So that's it, guys. Thank you for tuning in, and I will catch you on the next one. Ciao.